In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete order history in Amazon app 20 and 26, step by step. First, a quick note so expectations are clear. Amazon doesn't let you permanently delete orders from your account history. What you can do though is hide them from your main orders list by archiving. Archiving moves selected orders out of your default view, which is often exactly what people need for privacy. The most reliable way to do this is in a web browser, not the mobile app. So that's what we'll use. Open your preferred web browser and go to Amazon.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account with your usual credentials. Once you're in, look toward the top right of the page for the Accounts and Lists menu. Click that, then choose your orders. This takes you to a complete list of your recent purchases. If you have a lot of orders, you can make this easier by using the search bar on the Orders page to look up a product name, or by filtering by year using the drop-downs near the top. Take a moment to locate the specific order you want to hide. When you found it, look beneath that order for the Archive Order option. Click Archive Order. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm. Click Archive Order again to finalize. After you confirm, that order will disappear from your default orders view. This doesn't cancel the order, change delivery or return options, or remove your receipt. It simply moves the order out of your main list, so it's not front and center for anyone who might be casually browsing your account. If you're doing this on mobile, you may notice that the option can be harder to find or not present in the app. That's why using a desktop or mobile web browser often works best. Also, if the order doesn't appear to move right away, give the page a quick refresh and check again. A handy tip for staying organized: archived orders are still part of your account and can be viewed later in the archived orders section within your orders. Think of archiving like putting something in a private folder rather than throwing it away. You can review details, print invoices, and manage eligible actions just as you would for any other order. That's all there is to it. By signing in on Amazon.com, going to your orders, selecting the order you want, and confirming archive order, you keep your main order history tidy and a bit more private. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently manage your Amazon